The Honeywell Digital AM/FM Radio Hearing Protector with aux input offers high-fidelity sound quality on par with professional headphones. The digital AM/FM tuning with LCD display automatically searches for available radio stations and allows 10 preset stations and volume memory. A technologically advanced acoustical bass chamber enhances bass sounds that are typically sacrificed in stereo earmuffs, and volume management technology manages sound levels reaching the user's ear to a safe level. These earmuffs have high visibility ear cups and a reflective headband for visibility and safety, feature a noise reduction rating of 25, and come with batteries and a 3.5mm input cable to connect most personal listening devices. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.